Subscribe our channel SvTech World and press bell icon button to never miss any future updates.
Hello friends, welcome to SvTech World. My name is Vivek and in this video I will do an audio test of LogiTech X50, that is a portable multimedia Bluetooth speaker in price tag of around 2000 rupees in India. So before giving you the audio test, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, just hit the red subscribe button below to subscribe our channel for more latest tech updates. So if for the specifications of this product, just click on the card above. And in this video we will do the vocals and bass quality test of the product and review the same. So let's start the audio test.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melody. Say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
So friends, after doing the audio test, I may say that it has nice vocals and also nice beats. But the beats or I say bass is quite low at some peaks in some songs. And but as well as looking its price, which is approx 2000, or you may find it less than 2000 on Amazon. The product links are given below, you can purchase right now. So this product at 2000 rupees price point, this product is awesome, superb, and you may use it in traveling, in a single room, or for a meeting, or any way you want. In my opinion, this product at this price point of 2000 rupees, or you may find it in less price also on Amazon. So it is a good, because if you find its alternative just like JBL Go, they are very costly because they are of 3000 to 4000 or approx even 5000 rupees. So at this price point and the average quality use, you may find it fit for your daily needs. So friends, that's all for this video, and if you like this video, just hit the thumbs up icon and share it with your friends, and please subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. So friends, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching this video. Keep visiting for more tech updates. Thank you.